Hey there, Savvy Sabers! Welcome back to Money Does Matters channel, where we navigate the maze of personal finance with style. And today, we're taking a trip down memory lane as I spill the beans on 10 things I wish I'd done differently during my whirlwind 20s. So, grab your favorite beverage and get cozy, because we're about to dive deep into some real talk. Let's start from number 1. Saved more, splurged less. The carefree days of being in your 20s, spending money like it grows on trees, am I right? Well, if I could turn back time, I'd tell my younger self to pump the brakes on the splurging and prioritize saving instead. It's not about depriving yourself of life's little pleasures, it's about striking a balance between enjoying the present and setting yourself up for a secure financial future. So, let's ditch the impulse buys and start squirreling away those dollars for a rainy day. Continue to number 2. Invested early and often. Investing, it's like a magical money tree that grows in the garden of financial success. But alas, I didn't start nurturing my money tree until later in life, and oh, how I wish I'd planted those seeds sooner. Whether it's stocks, bonds, or real estate, investing is the key to unlocking long-term wealth. So, don't wait until you're swimming in cash to dip your toes into the investing pool. Start small, start early, and watch your money grow like a proud parent watching their child take their first steps. Okay, next we are gonna go to number 3. Learn to budget like a boss. Budgeting, the unsung hero of personal finance. It's not about restricting yourself or clipping coupons like a mad scientist. It's about taking control of your money and telling it where to go instead of wondering where it went. But let's be real, folks, I didn't fully grasp the importance of budgeting until later in life, and oh, how I wish I'd cracked that code sooner. So, grab that budgeting app, unleash your inner financial ninja, and start slaying those budgeting dragons like a boss. This is number 4. Said goodbye to debt sooner. Debt, it's like a persistent houseguest that just won't leave you alone, isn't it? Whether it's student loans, credit cards, or that sneaky little overdraft fee, debt can weigh you down faster than a lead balloon. And oh, how I wish I'd shown my debt the door sooner. So, don your debt-slaying armor, sharpen your financial sword, and embark on a quest to banish that debt monster from your life once and for all. Let's check number 5. Invested in myself, without breaking the bank. Investing in yourself, it's like hitting the jackpot without buying a lottery ticket. But for the longest time, I thought investing in myself meant shelling out big bucks for a fancy degree or certification. Oh, how wrong I was. From free online courses to budget-friendly workshops, there are plenty of affordable ways to level up your skills and knowledge. So, don't let a lack of funds hold you back from investing in the greatest asset you'll ever own, you. Great, it is number 6. Traveled more, but smarter. The wanderlust of being in your 20s, chasing sunsets, collecting passport stamps, and making memories that'll last a lifetime. But looking back, I realize I could have been a bit smarter about my travel spending. So, let's rewrite the script, shall we? Traveling in your 20s is still a must, but let's swap out the lavish hotels and gourmet meals for budget-friendly accommodations and street food adventures. Trust me, folks, the memories will be just as epic, but your wallet will thank you later. Cool! Please listen carefully for number 7. Build a stronger support system. Life in your 20s can feel like navigating a labyrinth without a map, can't it? And let me tell you, folks, it's a whole lot scarier when you're flying solo. I wish I'd prioritized building a support system of friends, mentors, and cheerleaders who had my back through thick and thin. So, don't be afraid to lean on your tribe when times get tough. They'll help you weather the storms and celebrate the victories like true champions. Please note this. Number 8. Practice self-care like it was my job. Self-care, it's like the oxygen mask on a turbulent flight. You've got to put it on yourself before you can help anyone else. But for the longest time, I treated self-care like an optional luxury instead of a non-negotiable necessity. So, let's flip the script, shall we? Whether it's carving out time for meditation, indulging in a favorite hobby, or simply saying no to things that drain your energy, self-care isn't selfish, it's survival. Continue to number 9. Learn to say no without guilt. The dreaded FOMO, fear of missing out. It's like a relentless monster that lurks in the shadows, waiting to pounce the moment you try to say no. But let me tell you, folks, learning to say no is like flexing a muscle. It gets easier with practice. So, let's reclaim our time, shall we? Saying no isn't a rejection, it's a boundary. It's about protecting your time, energy, and sanity like they're precious commodities, because they are. Can wait for the last one. Number 10. Embraced failure as a stepping stone. Failure, it's like the spinach of life. It may not taste great, but it's packed with nutrients that help you grow stronger. But for the longest time, I treated failure like it was a scarlet letter instead of a badge of honor. So, let's rewrite the narrative, shall we? Every stumble, setback, and screw-up is just another lesson in disguise. So, don't let the fear of failure hold you back from chasing your dreams. Embrace it, learn from it. And there you have it, 10 things I wish I'd done differently in my wild and wonderful 20s. Which one of these tips resonates with you the most? Let me know down in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more financial wisdom that'll make your piggy bank squeal with joy. Until next time, stay savvy, stay classy, and keep chasing those money dreams. Bye for now.